The OG testnet is one of the top testnets out there currently with huge funding and seed rounds. Now, of course, in this video, I'm just going to show you guys basically how to navigate everything about the OG network and, of course, how to earn points doing new tasks. So let's get right into it. Make sure you smash that like and hit that subscribe button, of course. As you guys can see on the screen, this is the OG Orb platform, and this is the link will also be posted in the description below so that you guys can get right into it. Now, I already shared a video of how to do the onboarding process. Very easy. All you have to do is connect your MetaMask wallet to it, allow the check, and sign in. Now, this is the first orb where you need to know about. First of all, we have many things here. We have, you guys will see, one gravity. It was an NFT sell, and now it is already sold out. So you guys can see the OG gravity NFT is sold out. Now they said, don't worry, you can still purchase one on OpenSea or Blur. Next is the portfolio. So this is everything you've got. The AOGI is gotten from the FAUCET over here. BTC, everything here is also gotten from the FAUCET over here. We have content, a few things where you guys can read and enjoy yourself and do some survey yourself. Ecosystem is also here, loads of things, on-chain analytics. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you guys about on-chain analytics. Every Thursday in the OG Hub Discord, they always run a quiz. Now, most of the times they ask questions about this analytics. So it's very important for you to learn this very well, or probably just leave it open and when the quiz is going on so you can answer very fast and correctly. Because if you get these quizzes in the OG Discord channel, which I'm going to show you guys also very shortly, you have a chance of earning probably a role in the Discord channel, okay? So it's something you guys need to look out for. And I think it's called the triumphant role, if I remember correctly. Now, the FAUCET over here is where you claim your OG tokens every 24 hours. Also very important for you to note that if it doesn't work over here, all you need to do is go to the Discord channel. There's also a part there, which I'm going to show you guys very shortly, for you to check and just post your EVM supported wallet and you will be credited with your FAUCET for that day. Now, please click on the two elements that are identical. 1, 2, next. Another 1, 1, 2, verify. So we are right. We've completed the captcha and we're just going to request AOGI. Now it says, please wait 21 hours before requesting again. I just requested a couple of hours ago. So that is that about that. Now, coming all the way to swap, you can swap your USDT, for example, USDT to, let's choose Ethereum. No, let's choose BTC. So we have 1,273. So let's just use 273 USDT and we're going to swap it to BTC. So this is something you have to also keep completing daily. And I'm waiting for that to take effect currently. It's still loading, as you guys can see. Now I have the option right here in my MetaMask wallet. And then I'm just going to open it. It says my network fee is 0.0038 AOGI, and I'm going to just confirm the transaction. And then we hope it's still loading. It says transaction failed, check gas fees and try again. So when something like this happens, you just have to up the transaction fee. So let's click swap again. It should take us to our MetaMask wallet very soon. And yes, so now we are going to up our transaction fee. So we're currently at 0.004. Let's double it. Let's double it to 0.008. So to double it, we're going to make this one 300K. This 30K, 300K. And we're going to make this one 44. So that's 0.006. So let's save that and then confirm. Let's see if it's going to go through right now. And it says swap request successful, waiting for confirmation on chain. Please wait on the process complete. So it has been done. Okay. So this is what you have to also do when you're swapping your tokens. Now there's also bridge. It's coming soon. So bridging is of course bridging from a network to another totally different network, for probably from like a Polygon chain all the way to Base. It's really lovely and interesting. It's one of the problems we had so many times with cryptocurrency, but it has been solving itself gradually, but there's still lots of charges when you try to breach. Now, that is it about the home page. Okay, this is the FAUCET page, the hub OG, where you can just basically swap claimed faucets and then bridge very, very soon. The next one, which is now very important, which just popped up, which is the nicest one with rewards and tasks daily, is the OG Puzzle Mania. Now, this is it over here. Link to join this will be in the description below. And as you guys can see, the OG Puzzle Mania, we have activities, referrals, leaderboard. Now, as you guys can see, I'm currently 4,000 position, let's say 5,000 position in the ranking with only 355 XP. I only completed tasks, didn't do so much at all. Daily check-in, 5 XP every day. Meets OG Puzzle Mania commemorated NFT. You mint this, you get 5 XP. Of course, minting will take some of your ETH. Okay, so you have to credit your MetaMask wallet to do this. All right. So, and then so many tasks to be completed that you can do easily. This is a must do. And now, what are the rewards? It is 100% incentivized. As you guys can see, merch and NFTs for the top rankers at the end of the campaign. So there are so many things. And once again, remember, this is a test net. Just breathe in, breathe out, and do the task. Okay, take it easy. Take it easy. You can do all of this task. Now, there is one task that might be a bit difficult for you guys, or that you might be like, I don't want to do this task. And that is the task from this Warpcast. Warpcast. I'm going to see if I can find the task over here. Yes, it says guild, guild or guild on OG Farcaster. So this one, once you click on it, you have to sign up on Warpcast. Warpcast is like a social media site for all of these things. And then the twist here is you have to pay $3 to get the Warpcast. Okay. And I suspect that more tasks will be coming very soon on this Warpcast. So it's just maybe nice to just do it once and for all. Okay. Just get in the Warpcast, and then complete all of the tasks that you need to do. As you guys can see, this is the Warpcast. OG Labs is there already. Many people already interacting. I myself, I'm already interacting. As you guys can see, home, where is my own profile? This is my own profile. I'm following 7 OG Labs. So I tweeted something, or not tweeted, I cast, how do we say it? Let's say I casted something already. Anyways, so that is just it about that. So those are the 3 things you need to pay attention to in the OG Labs. And the last but not the least is the Discord channel, which I'm going to show you guys right away. This is the Discord channel of the largest layer 1 I, which is the OG Labs. Of course, as you guys can see, we have the announcements over here. Lots of things popping up there. What did they say here? This guide on ultimate DApp, decentralized app idea challenge, many things. You have to join the OG up on Discord. Very important, because you keep getting the announcement first, and you get team tweets, you get events. This is general, where we all chat every now and then. We have the OGN, where people say every day, or OGN, and then you send. Of course, you have memes, where people post memes daily. One said, it's over, time to sell. Like, very, very nice memes, different creatives coming over here, doing the Lord's work. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Here, some people have the problem of not getting their Tesla tokens. All you need to do is drop a complaint first of all. Then I think you can send your address, your contract address, into the faucet, and then you can get some tokens in the faucet. So guys, of course, this is everything. OG quiz is over here, happens every now and then, every Thursday to be precise, and probably more and more. If you win the quiz, then you get some role in the Discord channel. So guys, that is basically it about the OG network and the OG hub currently. So of course, the link to join all of it will be in the description below. Make sure you act fast. It is just started. Complete most of the targets and most of the tasks. Get those points and put yourself in a very favorable place for the TGE, for the mainnet, and for the rewards distribution. So guys, thank you once again for watching the video. Make sure you have a wonderful, tremendous day. See you in the next one. Peace.